we're going to play a little game. It's a simple game of yes and no to show what can and cannot be repaired by Rapid Repair Network. And to make our lives a little bit easier, we've enlisted the help of our lovely editors. Let's start here. The bumpers. Maybe you got some cracks, some dents, or you've just totally obliterated it. Either which way, the answer is yes. Well, obviously. Front wings? Absolute doddle. We can paint them, fix them, or swap the whole thing out for a shiny new one. Editors, you know what to do here. Moving along to the doors. Inevitable victims of every rogue supermarket trolley across the country. And thanks to modern day tooling, we can fix anything from a minor scratch to a cavernous dent. And even the sills can be totally restored. Time for the rear, where we have the quarter panels and the boot lid, both victims of those suddenly appearing bollards. I know, but don't worry, because both can easily be mended. And if you've scraped multiple panels, they get restored a lot. Moving on to the wheels and tyres. Now, unfortunately, due to safety concerns, we're not able to repair these. And next up, we have the bonnet and the roof. I mean, look at the size of them. Practically have their own postcode. Unfortunately, they are just a little bit too large for a mobile rig. So, editors, you know what to do. And there we have it. Thanks, editors. Oh,